I have reviewed a lot of mattresses, and this one is the most compact I have ever seen. It almost looks like they folded it in half, and then I'm just not even sure. I'm so excited to open this up and actually see what it looks like inside. I will be right back. Here we go. Yeah, I think I was right. Look at it. It was folded in half. Whoa. Wow, that is truly impressive. Clearly my dog is like, what is going on? I've never seen it. Like, it was folded in three almost, and then look at it just like popping into place. And it still has this like compressed part here on top of it. So I still have to take that off. But this is like my favorite part, listening to it all pop and come into place. They do suggest, though, because obviously you saw how it came compressed, they do suggest you open it up, and before you actually sleep on it, you kind of want to let it like form and get nice and firm for anywhere between 24 to 72 hours. It just really depends. So before you actually sleep on it, you wanted to get it nice and proper. Obviously, this is not the right side up. I'm going to go ahead and take this main plastic off, and we're going to take a look at it. I'll be right back. All right, so this is the Sleepmax Extra Firm Hotel Collection Hybrid Mattress and bed in a box. Obviously, as you saw, the way that it came compressed, my mind is still absolutely blown by that. This is a 12-inch. You can get a 14-inch as well. And if you don't know what a hybrid mattress is, I am such a fan of it. So this here, you have the 6 different layers, but up here on the top, you've got that beautiful memory foam. So this right here is what's going to like make it really nice and comfortable, and it's going to like, you know, contour to your body. But then underneath here, you can even see it up here at the top. You see all the little circles here, and we've got it. Let me see if I can pick this up. It's heavy. Underneath here, you have all the individual pocketed coils. So basically what that is those coils are what's giving you that support and where we're getting that nice extra firmness from the mattress. But because of course we have the foam at the top, then of course we've got that comfort. But when the coils are in their own individual pocket, that's going to help with the motion. So if you are sleeping with someone, or you know, your dog who's absolutely running all over the place, when you're in the one spot and they move on the other side, you're not actually going to be feeling it on your side. You're not going to be like rolling and tossing and turning if your partner is, which I think is fantastic. So this right here, honestly, even though it's extra firm, so I am feeling that extra firm, like I'm feeling that nice support all the way through my back, but honestly, this is like sleeping on a cloud. It is so comfortable. This is probably one of the nicest mattresses I've seen in quite a while. And this one was sent for my review, and I am absolutely loving it. Really comfortable. Comes in a bunch of different sizes. You can get your queen, your full. But if you are looking for a new mattress, highly recommend this Hotel Collection.